If I lost everything today, no money, no connections, no assets, $0, and it's 2026, what would I actually do? Not theory, not motivation, not manifest abundance. A real, practical game plan. Because the truth is, starting from zero in 2026 is not a death sentence. It might actually be an advantage. Let me explain. Part 1. First rule. Don't panic. If I start from $0, the first thing I fix is not my income, it's my mindset. Because most people don't stay broke due to lack of opportunity. They stay broke because of panic decisions. When people panic, they take high-risk trades, fall for get-rich-quick schemes, borrow irresponsibly, chase hype instead of strategy. So step 1. Stability. Calm decisions create stable income, and stable income builds leverage. Part 2. First 30 days. Cash flow only. If I'm at zero, my only goal for the first 30 days is simple. Cash flow. Not passive income, not building a startup, not investing. Cash flow. In 2026, the fastest way to generate income from zero is skill-based digital work. Examples: short-form video editing, thumbnail design, prompting services, copywriting, social media management, affiliate marketing, freelance microtasks. The internet removed the capital barrier. You don't need money. You need value. I would choose one skill. Study it aggressively for 7-14 days. Then send 50100 outreach messages per day. No waiting. No overthinking. Volume beats perfection in the beginning. Part 3. First $1,000. Let's say within a month or two, I make my first $1,000. Most people celebrate, then upgrade their lifestyle. I wouldn't. I divide it. 50% living essentials, 30% reinvest into skill improvement, 20% emergency fund. Because the early phase isn't about looking successful, it's about becoming stable. Stability creates momentum, and momentum compounds. Part 4. Months 2-6. Increase your value. Once cash flow exists, the next mission is increasing value, not working more hours, becoming more valuable per hour. If I'm an editor, I learn retention psychology. If I design thumbnails, I learn CTR and viewer psychology. If I write copy, I learn sales systems. In 2026, AI handles average work. Humans get paid for outcomes. So I would build portfolio, testimonials, case studies, online credibility. Reputation is currency now. The more trusted you are, the easier money flows. Part 5. Transition to assets. When income reaches $2,003,000 per month consistently, that's when I shift focus from active income to assets. I'd start building a personal brand, growing an audience, launching small digital products, investing consistently in index funds or scalable ventures. Because active income pays bills, assets buy freedom. The goal in year 1 isn't financial freedom, it's foundation, skill, cash flow, assets in motion. That's the real win. Part 6. Mindset for 2026. If I start from zero in 2026, I live by these rules. No ego about small work, no chasing overnight wealth. Consistency over virality. Focus beats diversification early on. Protect reputation at all costs. This era rewards clarity and credibility, not noise. Outro. Starting from $0 isn't failure, it's neutral. And 2026 isn't harder, it's just more competitive. Opportunity is everywhere. Attention is scarce. If I had to start over, I wouldn't wait to feel ready. I'd start small, move fast, stay consistent. Because in 12 months, the difference between zero and momentum isn't luck, it's execution.